conditions that the county planning board had set for us. And then they had questions on the setbacks, the noise, and the overlay. And we discussed it at last month's meeting and decided to step away and think things over for a little bit since we couldn't get to an agreement. Steve did come up with a proposal that he felt would be fair. And you want to explain it, Steve, or do you want me to?
I'll let you know.
You want me to?
Yeah.
You sure? As you all know, Steve felt that we should extend the overlay zone, decrease the setbacks to 1,800, and to increase the DBAs to 45. However, after talking it over and mulling things, he has agreed to, if we will agree to extend the overlay to south of 72, he will agree that he will vote on leaving the setbacks at 2,500 feet and the DBAs at 40. Is that correct? I did run this by the wind board because I didn't want them to think we were going to overrule what they had thought. I heard back from 4 of them. Of course, Steve stepped down, so he didn't respond to me, but 3 of the 4 agreed and said that they thought that was a good compromise. Wasn't their first choice, but they were willing, they would work with that. So based on that, the new law would be that if we could hold a public hearing on extending the overlay, if everyone agrees, to south of 72, because as Steve stated, and I intend to agree, we really don't have any scientific information as to why half the town could have turbines and the other half couldn't. So, keeping setbacks at 2,500 and the DBA at 40. If we can agree to that, then we can set a public hearing date.
Is that 2,500 feet from the residence or the property
It's
line?
from the property lines, correct? Yes, that's what our law reads now.
So what's the process going to be in the future if they want to extend the overlay more?
They would have to go through a require a variance, we'd have to go through public hearing, same as we're doing now.
Sounds like bribery.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'll vote your way if you do that.
So, Sue, your feeling?
I would go with that.
Go with that, okay. Steve, and I feel that we need to get something in place and it's the best, otherwise we're never going to get a law in place, and so I agree. So a motion to go forward with extending the overlay zone to south of 72, 2,500 feet setback from the property lines, and a 40 dBA. Motion?
I'll make that motion.
Sue made motion, second.
Second.
Can we hear his reason why he wants to do that, since he's the only one voting differently? I just want to know why he thinks differently, because I don't understand.
Why, who thinks differently?
Steve, why he wants to do that?
Which
Why-
part?
Why, all of it, why you had those original sound and setback ideas, and why you want to extend the overlay. Can you explain to me what you think that means?
Yeah, I mean, I explained it in the previous meeting that we had. Going south of 72, for me, there was no scientific reason why not to go south of 72. And if you happen to oppose wind towers and think that it's harmful, then why are you willing to risk the people north of 72 but not the people south? Or if you're for it and you plan on,
Everybody suffers equally.
Yeah.
or everybody benefits equally.
So,
That's not going to
as we stated, there will be
Well, you know
public
everything,
hearing.
right, Joe?
Okay, no,
Better email Sue.
there will be a public hearing. So, we have motion, we passed it. Public
What is the
hearing,
public hearing for? If you've already passed it,
because we have to hold a public hearing for further,
so does that mean you will vote again on it?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
But if they vote right after, then nothing will, from the public hearing will be changed.
A date for the public hearing. I will be gone next week.
And this month I'm busy with pump ops and stuff, so if we could just go to next month's meeting.
To the August meeting? Is that good for,
That gives you time.
right, it gives us time to review.
Final format
Yep,
in their desks. Will you read the papers that I presented?
yes.
Okay, I would like you, Steve, to read all of those papers. I read them, and I'm not on the board, and it's important, please read them.
Okay, so we will hold a motion to hold a public hearing at the August board meeting, right before our,
Yep, I'll
doing
make
at 7
that.
o'clock. Steve made a motion, second.
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Anything else?
What
Motion
time is
to
the public
adjourn?
hearing, Sue? Time of the public hearing, is it gonna be?
7 o'clock.
before 7?
It will be
Oh,
right
it's
at
gonna be
7.
at 7.
Yes. Our regular meeting will follow. Motion to adjourn. Gilbert made a motion,
I'll
second.
second.
Sue seconds, all in favor?
Aye.
Meeting adjourned.